Sharp presents the XP-E501U laser projector. Simple and intuitive, the E-Series projector offers wide WUXGA resolution and a brightness of 5,000 lumens, bright enough for the back of the class to see a pristine, clear image. Eliminate costly and time-consuming lamp replacements in your classroom projectors with the lamp-free laser light source. A quick start removes the wait for busy educators. The E-Series has the connectivity you need. The XP-E501U, a simple, intuitive laser projector from Sharp.